We were discussing chapter 7, Evans Tyson O level, and let us see what was going on. देखो बेटा, हमने कहां तक लेसन डिस्कस किया था? When McLeary had gone and he was seen off by Stephens up to the main gate, as he was instructed by the governor. When he came back, जब वो वापस आता है तो उसको लगा कि मैं एक बार फिर चेक कर लेता हूं कि इवांस ठीक है या नहीं, क्योंकि इवांस को लेकर के सभी के दिमाग में कहीं ना कहीं हर कोई एप्रीहेंसिव है, हर कोई थोड़ा सा एक क्वेश्चन मोड में रहता है. सो he re-entered D wing, made his way along to Ivan's cell and opened the peephole once more. एक बार उसने जो पीप होल जहां से वो इवांस को ऑब्जर्व करता था उसने एक बार फिर देखा, लेकिन इस बार सीन कुछ अलग था. Oh no, Christ! There sprawled back. Sprawled means rolled back. In Ivan's chair was a man. अब इवांस की जो चेयर थी उस पे एक आदमी पीछे की तरफ लुढ़का हुआ था. For a second, for a semi-second, सेकंड का भी हाफ पार्ट, स्टीफन्स थॉट इट मस्ट बी इवांस. उसको ऐसा लगा जैसे ये इवांस है. अ ग्रे रेगुलेशन ब्लैंकेट स्लीपिंग फ्रॉम हिज शोल्डर्स, द फ्रंट ऑफ हिज क्लोजली क्रॉप्ड मतलब कट, इरेगुलरली टफ्टेड हेयर अवॉश विथ फियर्स रेड ब्लड. जो उसके एक इरेगुलरली कट हेयर थे, मतलब एक अच्छे से नहीं काटे हुए थे, वो बिल्कुल ब्लड में नहाए हुए थे. उसके सर पे बहुत ज्यादा ब्लड लगा हुआ था. which had dripped already through the small black beard and which was coming down, drip means falling down through the beard, and was even now spreading horribly over the white clerical collar and down into the black clerical front. तो उसका जो कॉलर था उसके नीचे से आकर के उसकी ड्रेस जो है वो पूरी खराब हो गई थी. इट was spoiling. Now as he observed, अब देखो इतना कुछ होने के बाद भी, इतने ऑफिसर्स अलर्ट पे हैं, उसके बाद भी ये हुआ तो हुआ कैसे? स्टीफन्स शाउटेड वाइल्डली फॉर जैक्सन. तो जैसे उसने ऑब्जर्व किया, ही शाउटेड फॉर जैक्सन. जैक्सन वाज आउटसाइड. एज आई टोल्ड यू, आई रिमाइंड यू, जैक्सन इज द सीनियर प्रिजन ऑफिसर. ही वाज आउटसाइड. स्टीफन्स वाज जस्ट आउटसाइड द सेल ऑफ इवांस. तो स्टीफन्स जो है, ही शाउटेड फॉर जैक्सन and the words appeared to penetrate the curtain of blood that wailed means covered McLeary's ears. और जैसे वो चिल्लाया, ऐसा लगा, those words penetrated McLeary's ears, for the minister's hand felt feebly means weakly. Feeble is a weak person, physically weak person, for a handkerchief from his pocket and held it to his bleeding head. वो जो वहां पे मैक्लेरी था, उसने एक रुमाल अपने पॉकेट से निकाला एंड ही ट्राइड टू वाइप आउट द ब्लड फ्रॉम हिज हेड. द ब्लड सीपिंग स्लोली थ्रू द व्हाइट लाइनिंग, द ब्लड कमिंग डाउन थ्रू द व्हाइट क्लॉथ. ही गेव अ लॉन्ग लो मोन एंड ट्राइड टू स्पीक. अब उसकी कंडीशन नहीं थी, बट स्टिल ही ट्राइड टू स्पीक. हिज वॉइस ट्रेल्ड अवे. Trailed away means faded away. And by the time Jackson had arrived and dispatched Stephens to ring the police and the ambulance, the handkerchief was a sticky, squelchy wad of cloth. Wad means piece. Squelchy is totally wet. So, jab tak, by the time Stephens went to call the police and ambulance, the handkerchief was full of blood. क्योंकि उसके सर पे काफी जो है वो चोट लगी थी. McLeary slowly raised himself, his face twisted tightly with pain. Now what did he say? देखो इसको, ये ओल्ड इंग्लिश एक्चुअली, तो इसको लिख लेना आप लोग. Do not worry about the ambulance, man. I am all right. I am all right. Get the police. I know where he. इतना ही उसने कहा. जैसे बीच में डॉट्स है ना, यहाँ पे उसकी आवाज जो थी वो, मतलब he was ट्राइंग टू स्पीक बट ही कुड नॉट स्पीक, उसकी आवाज बीच बीच में जो है वो रुक रही थी. सो ही वॉज फीलिंग वेरी वीक. अब उसने इतना ही कहा कि डोंट वरी अबाउट द एम्बुलेंस, मैं ठीक हूं, यू जस्ट कॉल द पुलिस, बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम ही न्यू वेयर इवांस हैड गॉन. He closed his eyes and another drip of blood splashed like a huge red raindrop on the wooden floor. So he closed his eyes and another drop of blood fell on the floor. His hand felt along the table, found the German question paper and grasped it tightly in his blood-stained hand. उसने वो जो क्वेश्चन पेपर था, जो जर्मन क्वेश्चन पेपर था, वो he grasped it tightly, he hold it tightly in his blood stained hand. उसके हाथ पे खून लगा हुआ था बहुत ज्यादा, और उसने वो क्वेश्चन पेपर जो है वो दिखाया. Get the governor, I know where Evans. He simply said that just get the governor, I know where Evans had gone. He was trying to say, वो सिंपली ये कहना चाह रहा था कि मुझे पता है इवांस कहाँ गया है, तुम सिंपली गवर्नर को बुलाओ. Almost immediately, sirens were sounding. Prison officers barked orders. Puzzled prisoners pushed their way along the corridors. Doors were banged and bolted. Bolted means locked. And phones were ringing everywhere. इतना कुछ moment था वहां पे कि कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि हुआ क्या. Everybody was confused. And within a minute, McCleary with Jackson and Stephen supporting him on either side, his face now streaked. Streak क्या होता है? There were lines on his face, and cake means dried with drying blood was greeted. Greeted means welcomed in the prison yard by the governor. उसका फेस अब जो ब्लड जो था वो पूरा सूख गया था और उसका फेस पूरा कवर हो गया था ब्लड से. And he was welcomed in the prison yard by the governor. Perplexed, who was perplexed means confused. Confused क्यों? क्योंकि इतनी सिक्योरिटी के बाद भी ये सब कैसे हुआ? He was not able to understand. And grim means serious. He was very much serious about his security issues. We must get you to hospital immediately. I just don't. You have called the police? The governor said, we have to get you to hospital. Then McCleary asked, have you called the police? Yes, they are on their way, but I'm all right. I'm all right. Look here. कि मैं ठीक हूं, तुम यहां देखो. Awkwardly, he opened the German question paper and thrust it before the governor's face. उसने question paper open किया and he placed it in front of the governor. It is there. Do you see what I mean? कि देखो मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूं. He pointed towards some text and he wanted to say, he simply said कि you try to understand कि मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूं. The governor looked down and realized what McCleary was trying to tell him. A photocopied sheet had been carefully and cleverly superimposed, means placed over. एक के ऊपर दूसरी शीट जो है वो लगाई गई थी over the last originally blank page of the question paper. Question paper का last page जो normally blank होता है उसके ऊपर एक शीट फोटोकॉपी करके लगाई हुई थी. So this was what that McCleary was trying to tell the governor. You see what they have done, governor, you see. His voice trailed off again as the governor, dredging means reviving the layers. वो जो पहले उसने कभी याद किया था of long neglected learning. Neglected means ignored. कि पहले कभी याद किया था फिर इग्नोर कर दिया, उन चीजों को वो रिवाइव कर रहा था. Willed, देखो will बेटा यहाँ पे वर्ब बनाई है, मींस wished himself to translate the German text before him. अब वो जो पहले उसने कभी जर्मन पढ़ी थी उसको याद करने की कोशिश कर रहा था अपने दिमाग में, तो उसने उस जो जर्मन टेक्स्ट था उसको पढ़ के और ट्रांसलेट करने की कोशिश की. He tried to translate the text. और ये जर्मन है, उसका मतलब क्या था? You must follow the plan already. अब बीच में कुछ था, इसको इसे समथिंग का नाम दिया है कि तुम्हें वो प्लान फॉलो करना है. ये उस टेक्स्ट का ट्रांसलेशन है जो उसमें लिखा हुआ था. The vital point in time is 3 minutes before the end of the examination. अब देखो 3 मिनट पहले, एग्जाम खत्म होने से पहले क्या हुआ था? किसी को याद है? याद है तो बताए. 3 minutes before the finish of the examination, something happened. What was that something? Who will tell? Anyone? किसी को याद हो? The exam started at 9:25. It was supposed to finish at 11:25. At 11:22, what happened? At 11:22, there was a call to Stephens from the side of the governor. अब ये क्या है, ये हम बाद में देखेंगे. Don't hit him too hard. Remember, he is a minister, and don't overdo the Scots accent. इसमें इंस्ट्रक्शन दी गई थी उसको कि बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड उसको हिट नहीं करना है, उसकी डेथ नहीं होनी चाहिए. एंड डोंट ओवरडू द स्कॉट्स एक्सेंट, कि जब तुम जाओ तो तुम्हारी एक्सेंट जो है उस पर बहुत ज्यादा फोकस नहीं करना, उसका ध्यान रखना है कि वो पकड़ में ना आए. This was what was written in the German text. A fast approaching siren wailed. Wailed means shouted or cried to its crescendo. Crescendo means peak. The great doors of the prison yard were pushed back and a white police car squealed to a jerky halt beside them. Squeal means which is a sharp noise. अब एक इसी बीच एक वैन आती है और एक झटके के साथ उनके पास रुकी. It stopped with a halt, full of jerk. डिटेक्टिव सुपरिटेंडेंट कार्टर, जो हमने डिस्कस किया था स्टार्टिंग में कैरेक्टर्स में, उनमें एक और कैरेक्टर है ये, who is a detective superintendent. Carter swung himself out of the passenger seat and saluted the governor. What the hell is happening, sir? And turning to McCleary, Christ, who has hit him. तो उसने गवर्नर, उसको समझ में नहीं आया कि हुआ क्या. उसने मैक्लेरी की तरफ देख करके कहा, who has hit him? But McCleary cut across whatever explanation the governor might have given. लेकिन मैक्लेरी ने गवर्नर के एक्सप्लेनेशन से पहले उसकी बात को काट दिया. Elsfield Way officer, I know where Evans. He was breathing heavily and leaned for support against the side of the car. Lean means bent. He bent towards the side of the car to take support. उसको सांस लेने में बहुत दिक्कत हो रही थी. So he was breathing heavily. Where the imprint means mark of his hand was left in tarnished means dull. Crimson is deep red. तो जैसे उसने हाथ रखा, उसके हाथ पे ब्लड लगा हुआ था, उसका एक हल्का सा निशान उस कार पे रह गया. In bewilderment, in confusion, Carter looked to the governor for guidance. अब उसको जब तक ऑर्डर नहीं मिलेगा तब तक वो करेगा क्या? He looked towards the governor for further guidance, कि मुझे क्या करना है. Take him with you if you think he will be all right. He is the only one who seems to know what is happening. अब गवर्नर ने उसको कहा कि take him with you if he is fine. He is the only one who knows what has happened. कि मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, एक ये सिर्फ ये आदमी है जिसको ये पता है हुआ क्या है. Now Carter opened the back door and helped McCleary inside, and within a few seconds the car leapt away in a spurt of gravel. Gravel is stones. That car moved fast. Leaped away means moved fast as some stones were thrown back. Elsfield Way officer, McCleary had said, and there it was staring up at the governor from the last few lines of the German text. अब क्या है? The governor was trying to decode the plan of Evans. यहाँ पे जो गवर्नर है उसने इवांस के प्लान को डिकोड करने की कोशिश की. फ्रॉम एल्सफील्ड वे ड्राइव टू द हेडिंगटन राउंड अबाउट, जो जर्मन टेक्स्ट था जो उसमें लिखा हुआ था उसको उसने पढ़ने की कोशिश की. यस ऑफ कोर्स द एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड वाज इन एल्सफील्ड वे. अब उसने कहा था एल्सफील्ड वे की तरफ जाना है जहां एग्जाम बोर्ड रास्ते में पड़ता था. और अब उसको एक बात समझ में आ गई थी क्लियर. समवन फ्रॉम द बोर्ड मस्ट हैव बीन इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द एस्केप प्लान from the very beginning. The question paper itself, the correction slip. कि जब क्वेश्चन पेपर में ये आया है और करेक्शन स्लिप के लिए कॉल आया है, इसका मतलब देयर इज समवन हु इज इन्वॉल्व ऑन फ्रॉम द साइड ऑफ द एग्जाम बोर्ड। वहां से भी कोई ना कोई इस प्लान में इन्वॉल्व है। द गवर्नर टर्न टू जैक्सन एंड स्टीफन, आई डोंट नीड टू टेल यू व्हाट हैज हैपेंड, डू आई। अब दोनों जो प्रिजन ऑफिसर्स थे, दोनों को उसने लाइन अप किया और सिंपली उनको कहा कि मुझे शायद बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, हुआ क्या। हिज वॉइस साउंडेड ऑलमोस्ट काम इन इट्स स्कैथिंग कंटेम्प्ट, स्कैथिंग इज सटायरिंग। हालांकि his sound was, his voice was calm, but it was satiring. And which one of you two morons was it? Moron means idiots, who took Evans for a nice little walk to the main gates and waved him by. Tell him first, who was the person who went with Evans and waved him from the main gate? It was me, sir, stammered Stephens. Stammered, who is not able to speak properly. अब वो उस टाइम बोल नहीं पा रहा था। अब उसने कहा कि मैं गया था, just like you told me sir, कि जैसा आपने कहा, और बात सही भी है, क्योंकि जो 3 मिनट पहले जो इंसिडेंट हुआ था, जो कॉल आया था वो गवर्नर की साइड से आया था और उसको यही इंस्ट्रक्शन मिले थे कि मेन गेट तक आपको जाना है, उसको छोड़ के आने के लिए। What just like I told you, what the hell, when you rang sir and told me, कि आपने कॉल किया। When was that? The governor's voice was a whiplash now. Whiplash means harsh. Whip क्या होता है? चाबुक होता है। So whiplash means harsh. अब क्योंकि इसका मतलब एक चीज क्लियर हो गई कि वो कॉल जो है वो गवर्नर ने नहीं किया, वो कॉल कहीं और से आया था। You know sir, about 20 past 11 just before. अब उसने कहा लगभग 11:20 के आसपास। You blithering idiot. Blithering means absolute, complete. It wasn't me who rang you. Don't you realize? But what was the use? He had used the telephone at the time, but only to try to get through to the exam board. उसको ये याद है, उसने कॉल नहीं किया था, उसने एग्जाम बोर्ड को कॉल किया था, लेकिन वो भी अनसक्सेसफुल था, कॉल नहीं गया था। अब उसको समझ में नहीं आया कि हुआ क्या। Now he shook his head in growing despair. Despair means hopelessness, and turned on to the senior prison officer. अब वहां से उसको कोई ढंग का जवाब नहीं मिला। He turned towards the senior officer. As for you, Jackson, how long have you been pretending you have got a brain? Well, I'll tell you something. Your skull is empty. कि तुम्हारे अंदर जो है दिमाग नाम की चीज नहीं है। It was Jackson who had spent 2 hours in Evan's cell the previous evening. और प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? Why did he say so? Because the day before the exam, Jackson was instructed to take each and everything which can be used as weapon from the Evan's cell. लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सी चीजें वहां पे रह गई। It was Jackson who had spent 2 hours in Evan's cell the previous evening, and it was Jackson who had confidently reported that there was nothing hidden away there, nothing at all. उसने रिपोर्ट किया था कि वहां पे तो कुछ भी नहीं है, there is nothing hidden. And yet Evans had somehow managed to conceal means hide, not only a false beard, a pair of spectacles, a dog collar, and all the rest of his clerical paraphernalia. Paraphernalia means related things to a particular profession. जैसे एक डॉक्टर के लिए उसका पैराफेर्नालिया क्या होगा? स्टेथोस्कोप, सर्जिकल किट, ऑल दीज थिंग्स। तो इतना कुछ सामान उसने अंदर छुपा के रखा, but also some sort of weapon with which he had given McLeary such a terrible blow across the head. और उसके साथ साथ कुछ ना कुछ एक वेपन भी था जिसकी हेल्प से उसने मैक्लीरी को सर पे जो है चोट की। इतना कुछ उसने छुपा करके रखा, even after Jackson had checked everything in his cell. Now a prison van backed alongside, but the governor made no immediate move. अब एक वैन बाहर आई, लेकिन गवर्नर जो था वो इमीडिएटली कुछ नहीं करना चाहता था। He wanted to try, he wanted to understand the plan of Evans completely. He looked down again at the last line of the German to the Headington roundabout. ये उसमें लिखा हुआ था, where you stayed over and make your way to New Graben. ये एक प्लेस का नाम उसने लिया। न्यू ग्रेबन, वेयर ऑन अर्थ, न्यू समथिंग न्यू ग्रेव, नेवर हर्ड ऑफ इट, कि ऐसी तो कोई जगह ही नहीं है। देयर वाज अ वॉर ग्रेव, समथिंग नियर रीडिंग, बट ये प्लेसेस के नाम है बेटा जो कैपिटल में है। नो इट वाज प्रोबेबली अ कोड वर्ड एंड देन इट हिट हिम न्यूबेरी, इसका मतलब इवांस हैड गॉन टू न्यूबेरी। यस, न्यूबेरी वाज अ प्रीटी बिग सॉर्ट ऑफ प्लेस। अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो जगह बहुत बड़ी है। He rapped out his orders. He shouted his orders to the driver, sent Eldate's police station and step on it. Take Jackson and Stephens here, and when you get there, ask for Bell, Chief Inspector Bell. Now he gave order to Jackson and Stephens that you go with the driver and you call Chief Inspector Bell when you reach the police station. He leaped the stairs to his office 3 at a time, got Bell on the phone immediately and put the facts before him. वो फटाफट अपने ऑफिस में गया. He called the inspector and told him each and everything what has happened there. We will get him, sir, said Bell. We'll get him with a bit of luck. We need some luck to get him, but we'll get him. Then the governor sat back and lit a cigarette. आराम से बैठा, उसने एक सिगरेट जलाई. ये गॉड्स मीन्स ओ गॉड व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुली लेड प्लान इट हैड ऑल बीन, कि कितना अच्छा प्लान था. व्हाट अ क्लेवर फेलो इवांस वाज, केयरलेस लीविंग दैट क्वेश्चन पेपर बिहाइंड, बट देन दे ऑल मेड देयर मिस्टेक समवेयर अलोंग द लाइन. अब उसको ये लगा कि इवांस इज केयरलेस बिकॉज ही हैज लेफ्ट द क्वेश्चन पेपर देयर. नो, इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. Evans deliberately left that question paper so that he may get hint. He reaches there and once again he shows the success of his plan. Well, almost all of them, and that is why very shortly Mr. Clever Evans would be back inside doing his once more. कि शायद वो दोबारा हमारे प्रिजन में होगा doing his classes once more. The phone on the desk erupted in a strident burst. Now the phone on the desk, it sounded, erupted means sounded in a strident sudden burst, एकदम से फोन की आवाज आई. And Superintendent Carter informed him that McCleary had spotted Evans driving off along Elsfield Way. अब जो कार्टर मैक्लेरी के साथ गया था उसने इंफॉर्मेशन दी that Evans had been seen driving along Elsfield Way. They had got the number of the car all right and had given chase immediately, but had lost him at the Headington roundabout. कि वो पीछे तो गए लेकिन वो कहीं ना कहीं गुम हो गया हेडिंगटन राउंडअबाउट के आसपास. He must have doubled back into the city. Double back means come back in the city. No, said the governor quietly. He is on his way to Newbury. अब क्योंकि उसको वो कोड जो था मिल चुका था तो उसने कहा कि वो वापस नहीं आएगा. He is on his way to Newbury. He explained his reasons for believing so and left it at that. It was a police job now, not his. कि अब जो है उसका काम नहीं था, अब वो पुलिस का काम था. He was just another good for a giggle. Giggle means laugh. And gullible is who believes anyone easily, who can be fooled easily. That was all. Okay, now he was simply proved good for a laugh, a person who believes anyone easily. By the way, Carter, I hope you managed to get McCleary to the hospital all right. अब उसने पूछा उस डिटेक्टिव से कि क्या तुमने मैक्लेरी को हॉस्पिटल पहुंचा दिया. Yes, he is in the Redcliffe now. Really groggy. Groggy means weak. कि वो बहुत कमजोर फील कर रहा था. When we got to the examination offices and they ran for the ambulance from there. He said कि when we went to the examination office and the ambulance was called, that time he was feeling very much weak. The governor rang the Redcliffe a few minutes later and asked for accident department. अब गवर्नर ने रेडक्लिफ हॉस्पिटल में फोन किया और पूछा एक्सीडेंट डिपार्टमेंट के लिए because he was admitted in the accident department. McCleary, you say, yes, he is a parson. कि हाँ एक प्रीस्ट जो है आपके यहाँ एडमिट हुआ होगा, he said McCleary, I don't think there is anyone. Now it was a matter of shock for the governor that McCleary was not there. Yes, there is. You will find one of your ambulances picked him up from Elsfield way. No. अब उसने कहा कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. You will find, you just trace out कि आपकी एक एम्बुलेंस ने उसको एल्सफील्ड वे के आसपास से पिक किया था. He must be there. उसको तो वहीं होना चाहिए. Oh, that, yes, we sent an ambulance, all right, but when we got there, the fellow had gone. कि हाँ, हमने एम्बुलेंस जरूर भेजी थी, but when we went there, the person had gone. No one seemed to know where he was. और किसी को नहीं पता where he had gone. Just vanished means disappeared. But the governor was no longer listening, and the truth seemed to hit him with an almost physical impact somewhere in the back of his neck. A problem ये कि Evans had gone and McCleary had disappeared. A quarter of an hour later, they found the Reverend. Reverend means respected S. McCleary, securely bound, बंधा हुआ, and gagged, cloth in his mouth, in his study in Broad Street. अब उसने पाया एक्चुअल में जो मैक्लीरी था वो अपने स्टडी रूम में ब्रॉड स्ट्रीट में जहां उसका फ्लैट था, he was bound there. He had been there, he said, since 8:15 a.m. when two men had called. अब उसने बताया वो और भी सरप्राइजिंग था कि सुबह 8:15 से वो वहीं है. He went nowhere. वो कहीं नहीं गया था. When two men had called, जब दो आदमी आए, and his situation is like that after since 8:15 a.m. Inquiries in Newbury throughout the afternoon produced nothing. अब ये और मामला confusing हो गया. They inquired in Newbury, but they found nothing at all. And by tea time, everyone in the prison knew what had happened. दोपहर के बाद सबको एक चीज पता चल गई कि एक्चुअली हुआ क्या था. It had not been Evans. Underline this line. आपके लेसन का ये सार है, यूं कह सकते हो. It had not been Evans impersonating McCleary who had walked out. कि वो Evans नहीं था जिसने impersonate means to take the appearance of someone else. वो Evans नहीं था जिसने McCleary का गाइज लिया, McCleary का भेस लिया. Who had walked out. It had been Evans impersonating McCleary who had stayed in. Evans वो था who was in the appearance of McCleary and who had stayed in. So it was totally a different plan, different game plan than the prison officers had thought. इस बात का उन्होंने सोचा ही नहीं था कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है. As I told you, Evans is a person who believes in challenging the authorities. So he challenged the authorities by staying inside. He is not a criminal. He simply wants to play with the minds of the prison authorities. So that is the reason he took the risk of staying inside. And when the exam was over, he played that scene. After that, whatever happened, that you know very well. So all in all, the point is कि Evans वो नहीं था जो हमें लगा कि वो बाहर चला गया. Evans वो था जिसने एक ऐसा नाटक किया कि मुझे चोट लगी है, मेरे सर पे बहुत ज्यादा ब्लड गिरा हुआ है, and I am feeling very weak. So he was carried by that detective superintendent, and when detective superintendent wanted to admit him in the hospital, that time ambulance went there, but nobody was there. So for today it is enough. If anyone of you wants to ask anything, you may ask. किसी कुछ पूछना हो तो बोलो. जो मैंने क्वेश्चन भेजे थे, attempt those questions, and if any question, if you're not able to answer, you can please ask. Further questions I will send you after the completion of the lesson. Chalo, okay, fine. Have a nice day. Thank you.